Do you struggle to start your lawnmower because it requires a significant amount of pulling force? Is it difficult to get a good grip on the handle when you pull the cord? Briggs Stratton Smooth Start package can help make starting your lawnmower easier. It features a blue, ergonomically designed handle that provides a high level of comfort. Its pistol grip style puts less stress on your hand and makes pulling the cord easier. In addition, the Smooth Start package has a specially tuned carburetor and a recoil that engages quicker than standard recoils, allowing you to start your lawnmower with a smoother, shorter pull. For an engine that's 20% easier to pull at startup, look for the Briggs Stratton Smooth Start package with the blue ergonomic handle. Don't just take our word for it. Let's see what homeowners have to say about engines equipped with the Briggs Stratton Smooth Start package.
Oh wow. Yeah, real easy pull. Very easy.
A lot easier than that one over there?
Oh yeah, yep. Easier than mine at home.
Much easier.
This one is 10 times better. Yeah, it's real easy.
Excellent.
I get my wife to mow.
Hey. Good.
That's a big difference. It's a gift from God. Wow.
Very easy.
Yeah, very nice.
Good.
That's
A lot
good.
better than this.
Oh, even easier.
Yeah, it's nice. Starts easier than mine. A lot easier, a lot more simple, less to do.
Wow. That's great. Very good.
Nothing to it. The kids can do it all by themselves. I can sit inside and watch football now.
This
A
sound
huge
pretty good?
difference, yeah.
Much easier. The handle is very comfortable,
More
like you
comfortable,
said.
yeah?
But there was no initial hang up. It just right away it went real
Okay.
easy.
Yes.
You like that one?
Yeah, much easier. Like,
Yes.
not as much to think about. Like,
Yeah.
the choke and all that.
I want to try that one more time.
Pretty
I
easy.
got a rotator cuff, and boy, this is